I'm Hayat Arzouk, the Technical Director for Western Europe. I have a PhD in cell and molecular biology. I've been working for Indical for 2 years now. The main challenges working in a lab would be the time, so being fast in a lab, delivering a lot, would be the cost of the instruments, but also the chemistry and instruments in general, and then the performance of the kits, but also the instruments you use on a daily basis. So with the prefilled cartridges, what do you save is time in general. You save also plastics. It's more reliable because you are more consistent and you don't need to think about making mistakes. So I would say it fixes quite a lot of the challenges that you face in the lab. The users for prefilled would be the labs that want to deliver more results in a day with the same team. So they're going to have a higher throughput with the prefilled cartridges. And the other users would be the spin column users that would get automation with cartridges that are very easy to use. They will gain time as well. The IndyMag 48 is a good instrument because it's plug and play, so it's very easy to use. The protocols are already preloaded. There is no need for calibration. It gives flexibility to the customer by using different plastics, 1, 8, and 24 blocks. It's used for different sample types, so you have one protocol for all. The users of the IndyMag can be small labs because they can deliver 1 to up to 48 extraction. They can mix and match their plastics. You have the medium labs that can have 48 extraction per day, and the big labs, if they use in combination with prefilled, they can have a higher throughput and deliver a lot of extraction per day. We created the Indical SmartLab subscription to allow customers get access to extraction with no upfront costs. If I were a lab manager, I would subscribe to the Indical SmartLab subscription because that will allow me to not invest all the money, all the budget that I have. Indical stands out because we are not only a diagnostic tool provider, but we are a solution provider. What we do is to see the full picture, not only the lab, but everything that's surrounding the lab and the vet space. What we do is also go for bold solutions and innovation.